Hello, my lovely Aquarius. How are you doing all? And I hope you are doing wonderful, amazing in your life. This is your general reading for November to December 2020. This is a timeless reading, so it can be you can apply according to your situation and condition. Please check your sunshine, moonshine, and Venus sign. I hope it resonates with you. I hope I help you out in some manner. But if it doesn't resonate with you, you can skip it out and take whatever is resonating according to your situation, my lovely Aquarius. Thank you so much for giving lots of love to the channel and for commenting beautiful, wonderful messages, comments on my videos. And one more thing, I'm very sorry because I was out of the station, so I was not available in my city at my home, so I was unable to make the videos, the messages. I was unable to do the reading, so I was out of the town basically, so that's why I have not uploaded any video on YouTube. So I am extremely sorry for that because I was unable to do that, but now I am back to my home, so now I'm doing it. I hope it resonates with you. I don't read reversals, Aquarius, so and gender is not specific here. Okay, so if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel so that you can get all the messages for you. Let's see what are the messages for you. And while shuffling, it just fell out, and the first card is Sun. The beautiful, wonderful, the happiest card in the tarot, Sun. Okay, so something new beginnings are there, Aquarius. Let's see what are the messages for my beautiful, lovely Aquarius all over the world. Please help me out, guides, God, spirits, angels, fairy, every single positive energy around me. Hermit. Okay, then there is Hierophant. Okay, let me see all the cards first so that I can get out all the messages which are important to deliver to you, my beautiful magical beings. Wow. Four of Wands, Aquarius. Strong reading today with the strongest card in the tarot, the Sun. What are the messages? I'm going to take it. What are the messages? Please help me out to deliver the messages. Okay, Nine of Pentacles. What are the messages? Hierophant and Wheel of Fortune. Let me adjust my camera more so that you can see more clearly. Okay, any other message? Any other message which are important? King of Cups. Okay, please help me out to deliver the messages which are important to my beautiful, lovely Aquarius all over the world. Please help me out, guides, God, spirits, angels, fairy, every single positive energy around me. Seven of Pentacles. Magician, this is you, my lovely Aquarius. What are you manifesting? Please help me out to deliver the messages. Any other message? Judgment and Queen of Wands. Judgment. Queen of Wands. Any other message? Any other message? Page of Swords, Eight of Cups and Emperor. Bottom of the deck, I'm having Two of Cups. Okay, any other message? Two of Swords, unable to make a decision, Aquarius. I'm seeing two energies around you. Bottom of the deck, I'm having Ace of Swords. Okay. other message. Six of Wands and Queen of Cups. Okay, Aquarius. There are two energies around you for sure. Okay. There are two persons or two energies around you. One is your soulmate. One is your soulmate. One is your twin flame. Because there is King of Cups and Queen of Cups. Both are there. And one is the Emperor. See, Queen of Cups and King of Cups. Both are there here. You are walking away from this Emperor, Aquarius. There is someone who is an authoritative figure, the fatherly figure, okay, who is maybe for some of you, there is someone who is the father of your child, okay. This is not necessary that this is the father of your child, but there is someone who is, you know, the authoritative elderly figure in your life who knows how to govern their kingdom, basically. Aquarius, some new beginnings are happening for you, for sure. There are something which which new beginnings in love, new beginnings in life is happening for sure, but you are taking the energy of hermit. You are looking answers from within yourself. You are doing your soul searching, you are doing your inner work, because there is something regarding your marriage and your soulmate, because this is the Hierophant and Four of Wands. This is something which is related to your marriage. Basically, Hierophant relates to the marriage or a relationship which is equal to marriage, okay, in which you are committed for a long period of time, and with the Four of Wands is attached to it. So it is the relationship is a soulmate relationship, because Four of Wands is all about soulmate. Some of you Aquarius are right now single, okay. This is Nine of Pentacles. You are single, you want to achieve something, you are attracting your soulmate in your life, you want your soulmate with you, you want to get married with them. That can be a case, okay, but you are right now single and abundant in every terms, okay. You know that you are happy, single, abundant, you can achieve anything. That's you. Happy in our own way, happy in our own terms. You get to know that you are abundant of everything, and you are using your intuitions, High Priestess, and that's very good, Aquarius, because you are guided with lots of intuitions, okay. You are born with intuitions. Aquarius are born with intuitions. So you are born with intuitions and you are using your intuitions, Aquarius. And here it is, the Wheel of Fortune is moving in your favor, okay. The Wheel of Fortune is moving in your favor. The good karma is coming towards you, and there is someone who is King of Cups, and they are looking towards you, Aquarius. They don't know whether this relationship is going to work on or not. They are basically having this energy of thinking, contemplating a lot. They are putting lots of efforts. They have put lot of efforts in this relationship. And King of Cups is someone who is full of emotions, who values emotions, okay. So this person is looking towards you, that whether my Aquarius are going to stay with me or not. They are worried, basically, Aquarius. That's the word I'm getting from these cards. They are worried for you, that whether you are going to continue with this person or not, okay. But you are manifesting something, Aquarius, and what you are manifesting is the judgment. You are calling for judgment. You are manifesting your judgment. You are thinking that I am a good person, I did good for other people. I do good things for other people, I value other people basically. So I want my good karma back. I want someone who is good for me. The recording time was 1010, but I completed my sentence so that I can tell you what I am telling you. So you are manifesting the judgment by divine. This is the divine who is making the judgment. So you are doing the things, you are leaving the things on the divine, that whatever the divine is taking the judgment, I will be accepting it. That's the thinking process you are doing. You are manifesting the judgment which is made by the divine, not by yourself. You are saying that I want judgment by the divine. That's what you are manifesting it. And you are rising as Queen of Wands, Aquarius. You are someone who is full of passionate, who loves passion, okay, mysterious, I can say. So you are someone who loves passion, who is very passionate towards you, but there was someone other than this King of Cups who was spying on you, who was keeping tabs on you basically in the past. Okay, there was someone who was keeping a tabs on you, who was spying on you, who's looking that what my Aquarius are doing it, and they are walking away from you, Aquarius. They are walking away from you, and that is the Emperor. Okay, this person, this is the other energy. Okay, there are two energies in this reading. There is King of Cup and there is the Emperor. So there is someone in your life who was keeping tabs from you, but they are leaving you basically. They are walking away from you. They are moving in a forward direction. Okay, they were keeping tabs on you, but now they are leaving. They are moving away from you basically. Okay, and you are unable to make a decision, Aquarius. Two of Swords. You are unable to make a decision basically, because maybe some of you Aquarius are dealing with two energies, the King of Cup and the Emperor. So you are unable to make a decision. You are unable to make a decision, but you are getting the success. Before you were unable to make a decision, but now you are getting success in making the right choice. Okay, you're making the right choice. You want to make a right decision in your life, and you are making a right choice. But before, it was the indecisionness was there. You are unable to make a decision between these two energies. You want to take a decision, but you were unable to make a decision. Then you are rising as in Queen of Cups, and here it is. This is your match, King of Cup and Queen of Cup. So this was not your match. Who is walking away from you, Aquarius, who is moving in a forward direction, who is leaving you behind, who was spying on you. So this was not your match. Can you see? This was not your match. They are leaving you. Okay, they are moving in a forward direction. And now you are making a decision by choosing this King of Cups. You are making a decision. Before this, you were unable to make a decision, but there is Six of Wands here. So you are getting success in making a decision, in making the choice between two energies, between two persons, basically. Okay, you are unable to make a decision before, but now you are making a decision. You are now more, getting success in making the decisions. Let me see what are the messages. Aquarius, you are dealing with your twin flame. There are two energies around you. One is someone who is, wow, this just fall out, Lovers. Yeah, that's what I was telling you. And bottom of the deck, again, I'm having Hierophant. So there is someone who is your twin flame, who is your soul mate. Okay, who is the divine counterpart, basically. Okay, the divine counterpart which is made by the divine for you. And one is your karmic soulmate, you can say. Okay, so you are unable to make a decision between two energies, but before you make any decision, the karmic one is leaving you. The Emperor is moving in a forward direction by leaving you behind. They were keeping tabs on you, but now they are not keeping tabs on you. They are making a decision. They are making a decision that They want to move in a forward direction. They are moving in a forward direction. Okay, let's see what are the messages. Please give me the messages for my Aquarius. And it just fell out again. Justice was the someone. Yeah, see, Hangman. You were feeling like an hangman. You were unable to make a decision between two energies. But now the justice has been served in your case. Can you see justice is there? So justice is being served in your case, Aquarius. You were unable to make a decision, and bottom of the deck I'm having devil. So there was someone in your life which was not good for you. The one person was toxic, narcissist, okay, manipulator, you can say, sun. So there was someone who was toxic for you, Aquarius, which was not good for you, and you were feeling like an hangman. You are feeling stuck in a situation. You want to make a decision between two persons, between two energies. You want to move forward, but you were unable to make a decision. But now you are getting it. See, judgment, it just fell out again. Judgment and judgment. Yes, the divine has made a judgment for you. Can you see the judgment is there? So divine has made a judgment for you. What is the judgment? That the other person which was toxic for you, they are leaving you behind. They are moving in a forward direction. 8 of Cups. Emperor. See, that's what I was telling you. This Emperor is leaving you basically, Aquarius. This Emperor is leaving you. The judgment is, see, that was just it. Death card. So this situation is putting an end to this situation. You are putting an end to this situation. Either you are putting an end or they are putting an end. The death card is there. So they are someone who is the Emperor in your life. Emperor is someone who is very authoritative, controlling, fatherly figure. Okay, maybe they are the parent of your child. That can be a possibility. But who is someone which is older than you. Okay, but this situation is coming to an end. The death card is there, and that's the judgment, Aquarius. This is your karmic soulmate, and which are moving away from your life. The judgment, Emperor, and the death. Okay, so death card is there. They are putting an end to this situation, or the divine is putting an end to this situation. They are making, you want your twin flame, your soulmate in your life, and divine is giving you that. Divine is giving you that, because justice and judgment both are there, Aquarius. So justice and judgment is all about the karmic justice, okay, and the judgment. The divine has made you a justice. They have given you, now you will see that you are getting to get more clear, I can say, Aquarius, that you are putting, the divine has putting a situation end. That's why they are moving away from your life. 8 of Cups. 8 of Cups, they are moving in a forward direction by leaving you behind. They're getting out of your life basically, Aquarius. And bottom of the deck, I'm having the Chariot, okay? So you are getting success, you are getting you are getting to know what is right and what is wrong. Before this situation, you were unable to make a decision between two energies. There were two energies for sure in your life, Aquarius. One was putting lots of efforts in you, for you, Aquarius, and they were also worried for you that whether you are going to continue with them or not, whether my Aquarius are going to stay with me or not. But this Emperor is putting an end. This situation is getting end. But don't worry, Aquarius, because end, death card is always be a new beginnings, okay? So this situation is getting end. The confusion is getting end, okay? That was the message for you. And I'm going to take these cards in a deeper level of way. I'm going to clarify these cards, Aquarius, in the extended reading, okay? But you, because you want your divine counterpart in your life, Aquarius. Can you see the Lovers? You want your divine counterpart, your twin flame, your soulmate, whatever you can call. You were unable to make a decision. between two situations. Okay, you want new beginning in your life. The Sun card is there. You want new beginning in your life. You want to get married to your twin flame, the Hierophant and the Four of Wands. And you were choosing to be single. You were thinking that if it is not my twin flame, if it is not my soulmate, if it is not my divine counterpart, I am happy alone, abundant in my own way. And you are using your intuitions. The High Priestess is there, so you are using your intuitions. That's why Wheel of Fortune is moving in your favor. Okay, Wheel of Fortune is moving in your favor. The person who is a King of Cups were putting a lot of efforts in your relationship with you, and they were worried. Aquarius, can you see? This King of Cups were worried because they don't want to lose you. They were thinking whether you both are going to continue or not. They were thinking and contemplating a lot about this. This is you, my lovely, beautiful Aquarius. Magician is you. You are manifesting for judgment by the divine. You are letting go all the things and you are surrendering yourself. You are putting trust in the universe, that whatever universe has decided for me has the best decision for me. So you are putting all the things, all the judgment by to the divine, and that's very good, because when you trust the universe, when you trust in divine, divine will take care of it. Okay, and divine is taking care of it. Aquarius, the person who was spying on you is going to walk away from your life, who was keeping tabs on you. Basically, the Page of Swords, they are moving away from you. They are moving away from you. They are leaving you behind. And now that's why before you were unable to make a decision. Okay, but now you are getting success in choosing your life partner, in choosing your I can say divine counterpart, in making a decision. You are making a decision now, and you are unable to make a decision before, but now you can make a decision. Okay, 2233 was the recording reading time, the Queen of Cups. So Aquarius, you know that you are someone who values. Queen of Cups is all about who is full of emotions, caring personality. Okay, who nurtures, cares, emotions. Okay, so you know your worth and you are getting success in it. In the extended reading, I'm going to clarify these readings, Aquarius, but today's message is that divine is making a judgment on your behalf, and the karmic justice is being served in your case, my lovely Aquarius. The person is moving away from your life. Okay, the karmic one is moving away from your life. They are leaving you behind and they are moving forward. That's the justice and the judgment which has been made by the divine. Okay, and for some of you, you are making that decision for yourself. That can be a possibility. Okay, so take according to your situation. Okay, and that was the message for you, my lovely Aquarius. I hope it resonates with you. I hope I help you out in some manner, and I'm going to clarify these cards in the extended reading. Okay, so take care of yourself, my beautiful lovely Aquarius, and please let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything. Okay, please like, share and subscribe to the channel so that you can get all the messages which are important for you. Okay, till the time, take care of yourself, Aquarius. Sending lots of love and light to you. See you soon, my Aquarius.